Have you ever had imposter syndrome? You know, when you're finally doing what you want to be doing and you're getting success, but there's this creeping feeling in your head that maybe you don't deserve to be there, that you don't actually know what you're talking about, and that everyone's going to find out eventually and hate you for it. Even though you've worked hard to be where you are, you still feel like you're faking it. That is 100% normal, and I know it's a scary thing. I'm a digital marketing coach, and this has happened after years of copywriting, where I've noticed that a lot of business owners don't actually know how to market themselves well. I created a course that is very thorough, that teaches business owners how to market themselves through organic strategies. These are strategies that I've used myself, and I know that they work. I still feel like a fraud. I still feel like, what right do I have to be telling people how to do this, especially when I have under 1,000 followers? I'm not getting a lot of engagement with my content. So why am I telling you this? Because you might be in the same place that I am. Maybe you're also a coach, maybe a mindfulness coach or a lifestyle coach. You might be thinking to yourself, I'm stressed. I have a lot of stress and anxiety and issues. What right do I have to tell people how to manage their stress? Look, that feeling never really goes away, but every client you do get and every positive testimonial you receive, your confidence will go up just a little bit. And that's why you need to keep going. Because it's scary, I know, but it's worth it in the end. Trust me. If you are a coach or a business owner and you don't know what you're doing, feel like you're struggling with confidence, comment imposter in the comments, and we can see if my digital marketing program is for you.